Welcome back to another stock pick on stockpricer.com. Thanks for watching. Here is a fantastic company, one that I think is going to really boom because people are getting back from the pandemic. Things are kind of going back to normal, starting to normalize a little bit. This is an area where businesses are going to start to open back up, and when they do, they're going to market and advertise. Entercom is radio, big time advertising. I mean, I'm talking large. Take a look. This is their daily chart. Let me first come back out to the big picture. So here's the monthly chart. Let's take it back out about let's just go since the pandemic. So if we look at it here, you can see since the pandemic it goes down, and it's really down in its lows, and from 26 boom, and we're all the way up here, and just huge increase here over this month. Now let's look at the weekly chart. Now they just acquired a company called BetQL, and they launched an audio network, which is like sports and gambling and picks and stuff like that. There's a lot of people that are into that. That's going to be huge. You can see about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. About 3 months ago, it gapped up over the 50-day moving average and has never returned since. Now it's over the 21-day moving average, and you can see up here is the I think this is the 200-day moving average. Let me see this. What is this black line? Yeah, that's a 200-day. So we need to get above that 200-day. That should be an area of resistance. But if we look here, this is a little area of resistance here, and that's where it's at right now. So around 483, and then right in here, this ceiling 536. Wells Fargo just announced a new price target of $7. So that's way up here is what their analysts are thinking. So that looks like it coincides a little bit with the 200-day moving average. So this line right here is about 699, and let's put it out here in the future. So darn good company, great angle. Let's take a zoom into the daily chart. Let me show you what I like about this. It's got a pretty high PE ratio, 42 times the value of everything there, so 42x. It had a huge gap up. Look at this huge gap up. I don't think it's going to return back to this. This is right here is 338. It's at 534. Even on the bottom gap is 369. So it just jumped up and has not looked back. And look at its volume on Friday. So this is the day that the stock market basically this last from like Wednesday and then Thursday and then Friday, it's just boom. It was gapping down. Meanwhile, this company's held its strength just fine, and it even made profit from on Thursday. So absolutely, I think this is a winner. I'll be investing. I can't advise you guys on what to invest or anything like that, but I think I'm really on to something, and I think that this is a phenomenal angle to play because, again, the pandemic, businesses coming back, and it's radio. It's not going anywhere. You know, people listen to it in their cars all the time, everywhere, and people market and advertise, and that's an industry that I understand. 10% even increase as the market was, imploding. It's going up. So very, very good sign, and this is ticker symbol ETM, Entercom Communications. Check it out.